While your income still feels unstable. If your income feels like it resets every month, it's not because you are lazy, it's not because the market is hard, it's because you are rebuilding instead of compounding. Let's diagnose it. Most people operate in cycles, that is, from motivation to action to drop to restart. What does that mean? It means once they are motivated, they take action, and eventually that action produces no results. So there is a drop in that motivation. Then they restart again. The truth is, every restart kills momentum, and every restart destroys compound effect. You don't lack effort, you lack infrastructure. That is, no traffic system, no conversion structure, no back-end monetization. You are operating manually in a digital economy. What is the consequence of your action? The truth is, without structure, growth is emotional, and emotional growth collapses under pressure. That's why income spikes feels temporary. How do you now bridge the gap? If you are ready to operate with structure instead of hope, the next step is below. This isn't for everyone, it's for builders. Send the word structure on WhatsApp and we'll take it off from that.